Hello everyone and welcome to episode 6 of Zero to Hero Full Stack plus VoIP plus AI Engineer. I am Siddhant Kumar, full stack VoIP and AI engineer working professionally since 2021. In the last 5 episodes, we set up WSL2, configure VS Code, installed our tools connected to GitHub and added pre-commit hooks. Today, we are covering something absolutely critical that many beginners overlook: environment variables and secret management. Think of this like learning to lock your front door before you leave home. You would not leave your keys on the porch. So why leave your API keys? By the end of this video, you will know how to create and use .env files safely, load secrets in Python and python-dotenv, export variables in bashrc for terminal workflows, never accidentally commit secrets to GitHub. Let's make your projects secure from day one. Before we type any commands, let me explain why environment variables matter, and I will keep it fun. Think of your application like a restaurant. Your code is the recipe. It tells the kitchen what to cook. Environment variables are the secret ingredients, the special sauces, the family recipe, the API keys that make everything work. Now, would you write your secret sauces recipe on the menu for everyone to see? Of course not. You would keep it in a locked drawer, only accessible to the safe. That's exactly what .env files do. They keep your secrets separate from your public code. Here's what we will cover: .env files, a private notebook for your secrets and never committed to Git. Python-dotenv, a library that reads your .env files so your Python app can use the secrets without hard coding them. bashrc exports, making variables available in your terminal session, useful for CLI tools and scripts. Gitignore rules, ensure your secrets never accidentally get pushed to GitHub. This isn't optional security theater. It's how professional teams protect customer data, API codes, and deployment credentials. So let's lock the drawer. First, let me create a .env file in your project root. That's 0 to hero. In your terminal, run touch space .env. Now open it in VS Code. Code space .env. Add some example variables like this. You can pause screen and type this content. Notice the format: e equal to value, no spaces around the equal sign. Lines starting with hash are comments. Save the file. Now your secrets are in one place, but we need to make sure they are never committed. Open your .ignore file we created in episode 5. Add these lines at the top. Environment variable never commit. .env, .env local, .env star.local, and star.env. Save the file. Now Git will ignore any .env files even if you accidentally try to add them. Now let's reload these variables in Python. First, install the library. Create a test script. Code test_env.py. You can pause this screen and type this code, or if you want to copy paste, then you can refer to episode 6 document on GitHub. Save and run it. To run it, type this command python 3 space test_env.py. You should see your variables printed with the API key partially masked for safety. This is how professional Python apps load configuration without hard coding secrets. Sometimes you need variables in your terminal for CLI tools or script. Open your .bashrc file, code ~/.bashrc. Scroll to the bottom and add this code. You can pause the screen and type, or also if you want to copy paste, then you can refer to this episode document in GitHub. Save the file, then reload your shell by typing source ~/.bashrc. Now test it by typing echo $020_debug. You should see true. Your variables are now available in every new terminal session. Let's verify our security workflow. Try to add the .env file, git add .env, then git status. Git should warn you that .env is ignored. Perfect. Now create a .env.example file for documentation. Open by typing code space .env.example. Add the same keys but with placeholder values. You can pause this screen and type this same content, or you can copy and paste from .env file. This file can be committed. It helps teammates know what variables they need. Add and commit it. Git add space .env.example. Commit it. Git space commit space -m docs is to add .env.example template for environment variables. Push to GitHub and verify only .env.example appears, never .env. Quick recap of security best practices. Never commit .env files. Always add them to gitignore. Use .env.example to document required variables for teammates. Rotate secrets immediately if accidentally committed. GitHub has a revoke button for exposed tokens. Use different values for development and production. Never reuse development credentials in production. Consider secret managers like RC Corp Wallet or AWS Secret Manager for production deployments. These habits will save you from embarrassing and expensive security incidents. Let's recap what we configured today. Created a .env file to store secrets separately from code. Updated .ignore to exclude .env, .env.local and similar files. Installed python-dotenv and loaded variables in a Python script. Exported variables in .bashrc for terminal and script access. Created .env.example as a safe, committable template for teammates. Verified that .env is never staged for commit. Security first. Reviewed best practices. Never commit secrets. Rotate if exposed. Use different values per environment. Your projects are now secure by default. Every credential, API key, and configuration value is protected, just like professional engineering teams do. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Hero Stack Academy and hit the notification bell. Episode 7 drop soon. Support this course. This course is 100% free and open source. If it helps you, consider becoming a GitHub sponsor. Your support funds server cost, domain renewals, and more content. The link is in the description. Join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Share your setup, ask questions, and connect with other learners. Star the GitHub repository. It helps others discover this course. I'm Siddhant Kumar, full stack VoIP and AI engineer working professionally since 2021. This course is my passion project to help developers like you master enterprise grade skills through hands-on learning. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, GitHub, or via email. All links are in the description. Drop a comment below. Secrets secured. If your environment variables are now protected. Thank you for watching. I will see you in episode 7. Happy coding.